Hello lovely people, this is Chef and Knife and thank you for watching my channel. Today is all about pans and the saucepan, right? So I know everyone is using saucepans, right? I am using these two saucepans. Not saucepans, frying pan. I do have two frying pans at home and two big saucepan, you can say that. I do have this kind of saucepan at home. That's a small one and that's a big one, right? So today is all about stir fry pans and the saucepans. So pan, saucepans, saute pan, fry pan, you whatever you want to call it. Saucepan, saute pan, deep fry pan. It's stainless steel pan, you can say that in simple words. Few, my previous video was around cast iron skillet and casserole. Today is all about pan. So let's start this video with introduction of my two saute pan, fry pan, you can say that. One is around 24 centimeter, another is around 18 centimeter. So they have a difference between the size and the shape. This handle have some different mentality, and this handle have a different way of approaching. So these two pan currently I'm using right now, and both have a weird gap of space. So if you're a home cook, right, you need a good pan which is more good for holding a heat, right? These are stainless steel pan, and the same with this. That's 4 liter saucepan, and that's 2 liter saucepan. So you can see that difference, right? The size and the shape. So basically these are my pans, which are size of these pan, right? That's 4 liter pan, right? You can see that, right? That's a 4 liter, right? That's a big one. And that's 2 liter saucepan. And these, if you really want to buy a good saute pan or saucepan, don't see the price, see what material they are using to make these pan and how good they are in oven, or how can you use that pan. So it's just a small review of my two pans, right, which I'm using. Pans, right? It's a commercial type of pan, not short review, because I know everyone is using a good pan at home or in work area. So these are four types of pan which I'm currently using right now. Use these two types of pan. Basically buy a good saucepan and good saute pan, right? If you use a good saute pan, your work will be more easy because they are good conductor of heats, and it's good to use. You can make risottos, pastas, whatever you want. Can be used in different sections, and these pan can be used for frying anything, right? You can use it for any kind of situation. I do have an omelette pan also. There will be a brief introduction about these pan in upcoming videos. Frying and good for making sauce and risottos and pastas, and yeah, need to be a good for oven also. You need to put your pan, if you need to put your pan or a saucepan in oven, you need to make sure that they can handle oven. And there are also induction category pan. So yeah, it's a good pan, and it's a good way to use these pan also. And in future there will be a brief introduction about these pan. Thank you guys, thank you for watching Chef and Knife. Have a lovely day.